What's up, everybody? Big Texas Breaks here doing a 2016 six-box half case break of Tier 1 baseball. If y'all were around for the first case we did on the day after release, man, y'all saw the big monster that got popped. Um, hopefully we'll continue the streak and pull another monster out of this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half case Tier 1. If you bought a spot, you got a random team or combo. Teams were randomized in the previous video. No trades went down in the Facebook thread, so they're the teams. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with them, but I'll leave them up for a little bit while I open up the first box. Once I'm done. I'll remove the team list and go to the full view. Let's see if we can do the first box mojo like last time, man. Empty box. Let's go to the full view. Good luck, everyone. Cut card. All right, out the gate, we've got Jacob DeGrom, number to 399 for the New York Mets. Mets going out to Michael P. Got a little pinstripe action going on in that relic. Game use. Solid. We've got a redemption coming up, so watch out. Redemption alert. Oh, the streak continues. Henry Owens for the Red Sox, number to 249 on card. Boston Red Sox. That's going to go to Timmy. Timmy. And I think we pulled this already. No, another Ken Griffey Jr. for the Seattle Mariners, Jeff E. New guy mojo, Jeff E. Redemption, Copper Ink parallel. Ken Griffey Jr. Nice. Ken Griffey Jr. Here we go. Next box. Jeff E. Man, knocking it out the park with the Seattle Mariners. Congratulations, man. Number to 25, is it? Yes, it is. I'm not sure if it's number to 25. I can't remember the numbering, the inks and the parallels and all that. It takes me a little bit to get familiar. But, so what I know right now is copper. So nice. Nice. One relic, another relic. Cut card. Adrian Gonzalez, number to 399 for the Dodgers. Dodgers going out to C. Finch. What's up, Brian KY, man? KY. Couldn't do it without you, brother. Appreciate filling the break while I'm at work, homie. Actually, you do fill the breaks, man. Dodgers, C. Finch, man. Bat relic. Christian Yelich, number to 50. Miami Marlins, so a dual relic. We got a gray and a white jersey piece. For the Marlins, Herbie with the Marlins. And see, Herbie, you're trying to give him away, man. You're trying to give him away. And on to the hits, man. Let's go with this one. We'll go the old school action last. Number to 299, Matt Duffy. What's up, man? Thanks, Herbie. Giants going out to Flores. Flores with the Giants. Matt Duffy hit. Nice right there. On card. Solid sig. Clean. All the way around. And a little old school action. Carlos Delgado on card. Number to 299. Prime Performers. That's going to go to the Blue Jays. Toronto Blue Jays going out to Rudy R. Rudy R. I know you did, man. But see, you know what? A lot of times on randoms, you just keep what you get, man. Let the chips fall where they may, man. Teams you didn't think would hit, actually hit. So Delgado, old school action there. Not a bad box. Definitely hard to compete with the Ken Griffey Jr. I'd like to see what those look like, man. For the Rockies, Didi LeMay, number 299 for Colorado. Colorado in a combo with Detroit going out to Seafinch. I'm sorry, DJ. I know I was wrong. My mind juked me. It looked like a D. So I knew it was DJ, but I said Didi. And I'll go with the old school action last. Number 249, Byung Ho Park with the Twins. Twins action. Yeah, it is, man. Twins action going to Flores. Twins, number 249. And look at this. Dennis Eckersley, number 149 for the A's, going out to Flores again. So this was a Flores box. Oakland A's, nice signature, clean, not just initials and stuff. On card, number 149, Oakland A's, Dennis Eckersley. That's going out to Flores. Flores. Next box, halfway there, or halfway done, should I say. Had in a Boston Uni. Haha. Here we go. What's box coming out? We have two relics coming out. Ryan Howard, number 299 for the Phillies. Phillies going out to Nate B with the San Diego Philadelphia combo. Game used Ryan Howard relic. Number 299. And a triple relic, 9 of 25, Dustin Pedroia, Boston Red Sox, going out to Timmy. Oh, Rickshaw. Rickshaw. Triple relic. And prime performers, number 249, Kyle Seager for the Mariners, going out to Jeff E. Second Mariner hit, Jeff E. Of course, to Ken Griffey in the first box. Jeff E. Man. Number 299, Aaron Nola for the Phillies, going out to Nate B. Philadelphia San Diego combo. Nate B. I like that. I like Nola's signature, man. It's clean, bro. That's a clean signature. Second to last box. I hope we got more booms in store. Thickest pack here. Oh, we got a book card. A book. Giancarlo Stanton, numbered to 50 for the Marlins. Miami Marlins going out to Herbie. Herbie. Dual relic, numbered to 50. No numbered action there. Check out this right here. Breakout autograph, copper ink parallel, Michael Conforto for the New York Mets. Michael P. Michael P. Congratulations. New York Mets hit. And you're not done, man. Dual book, autograph Tier 1 relics, Michael Conforto and David Wright for the Mets. Going out to Michael P. That is sick, dude. Number 4 of 10. Looks like a little bit of a laundry tag or something, like the app thing that you do, and the camo game used. David Wright and Michael Conforto for the Mets. Michael P. Nice, man. That camo though, right? We'll secure that here in a little bit. That's Box Mojo. Let's see what we get out of the last box. Nice half case so far. Got a Griffey. We've got the dual. Yeah, that is sweet, man. I knew something big was gonna come out of it. Literally, as far as size-wise, in a thicker pack. For the Yankees, Jacoby Ellsbury, number to 399. Pinstripe action. New York Yankees going out to Brian R. Right out. Write them on out. Pinstripe, Jacoby Ellsbury. And, ooh, look at that. 1 of 1, Chase Headley. 1 of 1 gold ink for the Yankees, right out. So the 1 of 1 streak continues. I don't know how many breaks in a row there's a 1 of 1, man. Definitely the last 3. So that's cool, man. And last but not least, for the Cubs, number to 249, Carl Edwards Jr. Will L. For the Cubs. So not a bad half case. It was spread out a little bit, you know. Not bad, man. That book was cool right there, you know. Ken Griffey Jr., y'all know what's up with that, man. And that's the break. Capping it off with one more look at the book. Solid book there, Wright and Conforto. Appreciate y'all joining.